Hi guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing okra peanut punch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So here I have my raw peanut, and I like to just wash my peanut at least twice in some cold water. So in a bowl, I'm just gonna go in and just pour out my raw peanut, and as I said, I'm just gonna wash it twice in some cold water. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative in the kitchen. Remember to be you in the kitchen. And most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can even visit your local farmer's market. You will get raw peanut there as well as the okra. So I'm just going to go ahead again and wash my peanut. And I also went ahead and cooked my okra already and put it to the side and allow it to cool. So here I have my Dragon Stout, and if you guys don't have Dragon Stout at home, you can always go ahead and use Guinness. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour my Dragon Stout in my blender, and you always want to ensure that you tilt your blender to the side so that your Dragon Stout or your Guinness doesn't foam up a lot. Once I add my Dragon Stout, I will go ahead and add all of my spices, my cinnamon powder, my nutmeg. I will also go ahead and add my vanilla flavoring. Once all of that is nicely added, I also add just a pinch of salt. I will go ahead and add my okra. And please note that I'm also going to use the juice from my okra. So I'm just going to add all of that. And please ensure that you allow your okra to cool down once you boil it. And I will also go ahead and add my raw peanut. Once I add all of that goodness, I'll close my blender and I'll just blend until it is smooth. I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. So in the last video, I went ahead and strained. This video, I will not strain it, all right? And this is it. All smooth and nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour it out in a large bowl. And I will also go ahead and add my supligen. And I'm going to add the vanilla flavor. You can always go ahead and check your supermarket. They do have different kind of flavor supligen now. You can always try out whichever flavor you feel comfortable using. So I'm going to pour out all of that. And while I'm pouring, I'm just going to mix. Now, you have the option of sweetening. So if you don't want to sweeten, you can always go ahead and just serve it up ice cold. But I decided to just add some of my condensed milk to this, just for a little bit more taste. And I'm not going to add a lot, just a small amount. And once I'm finished sweetening, I will go ahead and serve this up ice cold and show you guys the final product. This was really easy, really simple. Within 10 minutes, you're out of the kitchen. So you can always go ahead and try this. And let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Remember to always taste, just in case, if you decide to sweeten, that is. So this is it, the final product of my okra and peanut punch. And I'm just going to add some ice and pour it out. And basically that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. We're on our way to 8K subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing and sharing. Bye guys.